Now I have to go through and paint every single keyframe again. This is why you select colors first. Point in case. Imagine doing this for 1,000 frames. Probably not even going to want to do it. You'd probably just give up. So, okay. Let's delete the victim stuff. We know this thing's working. Now it won't say stupid words. Barb, you go chill out over here for a while. Alright, there's our orange and purple raptor. And then I think we've got him set up to go for animation. And then we'll build new legs and arms as needed, of course. And we'll probably have to rebuild the head a little bit, because if his jaw opens, there's nothing in there. And that's boring. That's like so boring. So, we'll probably have to build multiple jaws too, just as a technical note. So we can add teeth into the jaw as a separate layer, which isn't a bad idea. Interesting. Aha, wasn't closed. Oh no, must have clicked the wrong thing. Oh no! This problem happens every time you try and do this. See, what's happening here is the head is above the jaw. Because the head's above the jaw, if you put the teeth in the jaw clip, well, guess what? They're also above the bottom jaw. There is no solution here other than putting teeth on their own separate layer, basically. You're going to run into that one too. So now you have to make the teeth their own little separate movie clip. Right click, convert to symbol, head teeth 1. Have to drag it over in our main new enemy. So, again, left click, Q, double left click, dot. Now here's the cool part. If we did our work right with the head, it has a center. The teeth have a center too. Snap them together. Now, move the teeth where they should have gone in the head. Now, if you move the head As long as you match the teeth up exactly with the head, then things are good. So you can plug in the same transform for both the teeth and the head together. You can also click on the teeth and the head and drag that dot to the center. It'll snap. Then you can move both of them as one contiguous unit without losing the effect you wanted. One thing's for sure, when a dinosaur opens its mouth, we need this little thing in here. I don't know what it's called, haven't figured out what it's called yet. So I'm going to call it maw flesh, because that's important. That has to be a shape tween. You're not going to use it every layer, but if you do end up using it, it's going to be one of these kind of deals. And then you're like, oh crap, the teeth for the jaw are above it. Oh no. So, now you have to move the jaw teeth outside of the jaws to get this to work right. Welcome to Flash. We all know that's a nice pink color. C'est la vie. So the other option is you can also like do mod decor, which is another good way to handle this. Rather than trying to make that work layer-wise, you can literally just put this on top and then make it match. It's a little more cumbersome, but it might get you what you want faster. Of course, if you do that, then you have an additional problem that has lines on it, but in this case, that's okay. So you can try and match shapes together and make that whatever you want. These are all common problems you run into when you're animating. Where do you put what? In what layer? So anyway, I think we're pretty much set up. I have set us up the bomb. Now we should take a break. Again, mod decor, not using it much. Delete. So there is our fairly well set up raptor to start testing out if it's animated correctly or not. Save. Alright. Stream break. And the next component, we're going to start toying around with the stupid things animations. So, any questions before the next stream?